Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing pure black color Lord BHAIRAVA, a Goddess Maa Kali conch collection from Indian Ocean. It is impossible to see such a pure black conch. Extremely rarest and unbelievable collection. You can see even inside is black color. This conch will give extreme vibrations and blessings of Lord BHAIRAVA and Goddess Maa Kali. Such a wonderful, amazing collection it is. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. And by having this conch, definitely no black magic or evil eyes will affect you. Such a wonderful, amazing conch it is. Basically, this conch will be in pure white color, but you are seeing extremely black color, naturally black. Inside also you can see black color. Inside of the conch you can see black color. Really amazing, unbelievable collection. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Pure black conch collection from Indian Ocean gives you extreme blessings and vibration of Lord BHAIRAVA and Goddess Maa Kali. Unbelievable collection from Indian Ocean. You can see outside black and inside also black. Totally unbelievable collection. Basically, this conch will be pure white color, but you are seeing extremely black color, which give extreme blessings of Lord BHAIRAVA and Goddess Maa Kali. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.